Hey guys, it's here. Take it out of here. Easy enough. Come on. Okay, let's. Nice. Oh, that's nice. Actually, it's heavy. What is that? Oh, that's the condenser thing. I never use those. Okay, let's see. All right, I gotta put batteries in it, which is not great, but oh, I need a 9-volt battery. Well, at least those last a long time. And I do have some of those around here somewhere. This has a cover on it. So why did they give me another cover? Let me show you this one. Oh, this is annoying. Come on. Here we go, right up here. Yeah, see? Supposed to put this over that. Yeah, I don't think so. I think you have a choice between this and this. Okay. Need to put a 9-volt battery in here. Here's the part that holds it on to the camera. Here's the part that connects it to the camera. And are there any buttons? I like that it has a little bit of spring to it. A little bit of give. Okay, has an on-off button. That's good. Save on battery that way. I know I have other 9-volt batteries in this house somewhere. Like I said, they last longer. They're like fire alarm batteries. If I can find one, I'll buy one. No big deal. Alright. So this is the box. And this is the mic. Here's the on-off switch right here. I'm not sure what the top is. Probably levels of on and off. I'm not sure. Oh, and there is a light right there to show when it's on. There's a light right there, so that's good. Like I said, it's got a little bit of movement on a couple of springs, which will help keep the sound from being, what's the word? How do I want to describe that? It will keep the sound even. So the microphone is only moving on, within its brace. So that's good. I'm quite happy with that. Let me take this, put this over here. Looking forward to using this on the new camera. I do like it a lot. I've not had this microphone before. Oh, it's open on the bottom. That's how that fits on there. But yeah, the other one's a choice. You can either use the other one or this one. I prefer this one. So. So I'm very much looking forward to seeing. I mean, it should be good with a 9-volt battery. It's not something you see every day now. Most of us who grew up when I did only know a 9-volt battery for one thing. There it is. Oh no, I'm looking at a light. Why can't I find it? Up there. Where is it? Right there. And an occasional toy when I was a kid. Some toys were 9 volts. So, let me go quickly see if I can find a 9-volt battery. Who is this? Are you making a delivery? Excuse me. Sir, have to go around back. Huh? Back. I'll meet you at the door. You could have driven your truck, you poor thing. So you picked it up earlier? Yeah, because you put it up there and there's absolutely no way.
Okay.
Can you
Did you help
slide
me?
that? Yeah, can you slide that inside? Thank you.
You're welcome.
My aide will come and help me with it. Till then,
Bye-bye.
thank you very much. Sorry guys, the air conditioner is here. Yay. Okay, I gotta see when my aide can come. I'm guessing not today, but I don't know. I'm just glad it's here. Very glad it's here. I'm very glad I caught him out there, because that would have been a nightmare. So that was exciting. Got delivered on camera accidentally. That's okay. I'll leave it on. Again, microphone. It's a Movo VXR 4000 condenser microphone. So hopefully this will give us exactly what we need for Kid Missing and this channel. God bless you. Have a wonderful rest of your day. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.